Welcome back to Royal Wheels. The 2026 Honda CR-V is redefining the compact SUV landscape, blending advanced technology, enhanced performance, and a sleek new design. As Honda's flagship in the SUV market, this model brings a powerful combination of style, practicality, and innovation, delivering an exceptional driving experience whether you're navigating city streets or tackling weekend adventures. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 CR-V offers impressive power with its refined hybrid and turbocharged engines, ensuring both smooth acceleration and strong fuel efficiency. The hybrid variant provides an eco-friendly option without compromising on power, while the turbocharged engine delivers a thrilling ride for those who crave performance. Advanced handling features and an all-wheel drive option make it a versatile and reliable vehicle for a range of driving conditions. Exterior design. The 2026 Honda CR-V boasts a bold and modern exterior design. With a dynamic front grille, sleek lines, and muscular proportions, it's a vehicle that makes a statement on the road. LED headlights and a sculpted body shape enhance its athletic presence, while a redesigned rear profile gives it a more refined, streamlined look. The CR-V's exterior is as practical as it is stylish, with ample cargo space and an elevated stance for better visibility. Interior design. Step inside, and the 2026 CR-V greets you with a refined and spacious cabin. Premium materials, a modern dashboard layout, and intuitive controls provide a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. The latest infotainment system offers seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the cabin is designed for maximum comfort with supportive seating and plenty of room for passengers and cargo. Thoughtful storage solutions and a panoramic sunroof add to the overall appeal. Fuel efficiency. The 2026 CR-V excels in fuel efficiency, making it an excellent choice for those who want both power and economy. The hybrid version stands out, offering impressive mileage numbers, while the turbocharged option strikes a balance between performance and fuel economy. Honda's commitment to sustainable driving ensures that the 2026 CR-V provides an eco-conscious ride without compromising on performance. The 2026 Honda CR-V is a true standout in the compact SUV category, offering a blend of advanced features, exceptional performance, and an eye-catching design. Whether you're looking for a vehicle that offers top-notch fuel efficiency, a stylish exterior, or a luxurious interior, the CR-V has it all. With the 2026 model, Honda continues to deliver a vehicle that meets the needs of today's drivers, making it the perfect choice for those who demand more from their SUV.